This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Hyundai Sonata blinker bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Knowing your specific Sonata model helps in selecting the right bulb, which is often an 1157 or similar type. This simple repair can save you time and money. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your car's hood and look for the two 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly. You'll need a socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it will slide out, allowing you access to the blinker bulb. With the headlight assembly out, you can now easily access the blinker bulb. Locate the turn signal bulb socket, which usually has orange or yellow wires connected to it. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring a secure fit. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the headlight assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all clips engage properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly. Don't forget to test your new blinker bulb to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.